All right, good afternoon. Play It Again Sports, U15 boys. We're going to talk a little bit about our lineup and our team defense. So first of all, on defense, we have a goalie right here, and then we have our right D, left D, and center D. And we also have our left front D and right front D. And the concept here is a series of defensive triangles to try to eliminate angles of attack. And we've gone over this in practice, so I'm pretty sure that you guys understand that, but that is the basis for our defense. And